morning, YouTube. It is Jaya and I am doing a vlog. Like, oh my god, I have not vlogged in a while, especially like just a day in my life. So today is my first day of actual like physical class in graduate school. I'm on my second year. Little background info: I attended South Carolina State University, is where I also went for undergrad. I graduated 4 years ago, speech pathology, and now I'm back 4 years later doing speech pathology in the master's program. So I completed my first year via Zoom. So this is going to be pretty interesting because now we actually get to be on campus in person. We'll be actually in the physical clinic. No more teletherapy. Well, I'm not gonna say no more teletherapy, but I'll actually be able to see clients now. So I'm going to start, I already kind of have a series, a grad school series, but I want to make it more official. So anyways, I'm going to just take you guys along with me in my day. I have a couple other things that I have to do today, so I'm just gonna vlog everything. So yeah, welcome back to just seeing me going to campus. If you're a real one and been following me since 2015, then you guys know I started my vlogs in this exact town as a campus HBCU vlogger. So to be back doing the same thing is like really like ironic. It's like crazy, full circle. So let's start the day. Okay guys, so I'm here and I just finished getting dressed. Here's a little OOTD. I just have on black tank and some like boyfriend denim, but I couldn't really, let me open my car, hold on. This is all the not so glamorous. I know I'm like literally driving on campus, but I couldn't really vlog too much of me getting dressed because I'm trying to still figure out where I'm gonna like set my camera up and things like that. But I am headed to class. It is like 1:30. What time is it? It's 1:39, so I have class in about 20 minutes. I wanted to grab like at least a notebook and pens or something, highlighters, so I can look like I'm ready to learn. So I'm gonna try to run in Dollar General before class. I have time. I have my mask. And yeah, it just feels so, y'all, I feel so nostalgic, like just being back at my school, and then on top of that just being back in person, because like I said, I've been class via Zoom, so it just feels weird. But quickly, I was talking to one of my roommates and I asked her, she had class on Thursday, and she was basically just saying like, yeah, she just feels like it's so much better in person. Like she was like, she did not like Zoom. So I'm gonna see. I mean, I feel like it's gonna be the same as undergrad, but I'm trying to show y'all as much as I can. Okay guys, I'm in Dollar General, so I'm going to get some school supplies. I'm on a time frame, so I'm trying to go quick. Let's see, what do I need? I just need, I'm so mad because I love like cute, I'm the type of person that spend extra money on a cute notebook. Wide ruled. And I'm gonna grab a nice pen. All right, let's go. Hey guys, I was literally, you know how to say don't text and vlog, there needs to be a don't drive and vlog, but I was literally in that Dollar General for literally like 2 minutes, so I am about to drive into the building. I don't know, I know y'all probably like, girl, you were acting like a first grader, like going to school for the first time, but anybody knows me knows that I've always been a very extra type of person. Like even in undergrad, I would always have my friends take like a first day of school picture. I know, very immature. I actually need to be in this left lane, so let's see if they let me make a left. So let's drive. Graduate school It's crazy, y'all. I'm gonna start showing y'all vlogs when I walked into this building 8 years ago.
Jaya, you can't have on your vlog with no permission now. Marquis!
What? Having flies may just be like, and we about to leave.
With your phone out your leg.
It's a secret pocket. We just all over the place. I've officially taken my mask off, but it's right here, y'all. So, first day of class.
Where it starts here is at 0 degrees, and then up here, maximum compression is going to be 90%, 90 degrees. When it returns down to its resting place, and then it's because of inertia, it's going to go on, and you're going to get maximum rarefaction, and then it's going to return. And one complete cycle of vibration is going to consist of 360 degrees.
I am back in the car. I just finished my first class. It honestly, like I said, it just felt like undergrad all over again. I took notes, I listened. The teacher was really cool. He was like an older guy, and he was like trying to make like corny dad jokes, but it definitely feels a lot better just being in person. I think when you're at home and you're like in your bed, like you kind of get comfortable, as opposed to when you're actually in the atmosphere, like in the building, you're like, okay, I really feel like I'm in school, as opposed to when you're just like in your bedroom, it's like I'm in school, but I kind of feel like weird because it's so like comfortable and so much like, I don't know, the atmosphere feels weird. So I am going to go to the grocery store and do some meal prepping for today. Okay, you guys, so I am currently, I'm currently headed to, well, I'm walking into Aldi's to do my grocery shopping. Your girl, I am trying to save money. You know, I'm back like college life, because before I was back at home, I was working, I was still cooking and stuff like that. So I am actually going to get back into meal prep. So I wanted to go here because I know this grocery store is really, really cheap. Oh, let me put a quarter in, y'all. I forgot that all these charges for carts. Tell me below, what is your favorite grocery store? Like, where do you like to buy your groceries from? Because I'm not really an Aldi shopper like that, but my sisters are and my mom. So I'm just like trying it to save money, and I want to eat healthy because I'm very slim, but y'all be surprised, I actually want to lose 10 pounds. So we'll see how this. Hey guys, so I came to Aldi's. You know, I'm putting my quarter in. I'm like, oh my god, I keep forgetting that you have to pay for literally everything, but Aldi's is really cheap. So I'm doing my meal prep. I'm just grabbing some lunch meat. I wanted to try these gluten-free fettuccine noodles. I don't know why, I just wanted to try something different or whatever. You know, just grabbing some fruits. I usually meal prep at home, and I think definitely just now being back in school and not working full time, I'm really just trying to be on a budget. So I feel like some things that are essential to your meal prep are really just making sure you have a good balance of fruits and veggies. You know, I gotta add some mushrooms, and of course just making sure like you have a very colorful meal. That's kind of my essential when I meal prep. I always like to add some meat. So the meats that I'm adding this week are sausage and chicken. That was pretty much it. I liked this chicken because, you know, I could cut it and put it in my salad. I could eat it as just chicken tenders. Just very simple stuff. Of course, I'm adding bacon because I know a lot of people don't like pork, but I'm sorry, y'all. I just love bacon. Like, that is probably one of my favorite things to eat for breakfast. So it's just kind of hard for me to give that up. Sorry, not sorry. What else? So yeah, just kind of adding some breakfast meat / lunch meat to. I just left the grocery store. So let me tell y'all like a little embarrassing situation. So my boyfriend is currently in Africa. He's in Tanzania, and he had my debit card in his pocket. So I had took out like a lot of cash, but mind you, I've spent a lot of that cash because I had to buy stuff for the apartment. And so I literally went in the grocery store, and I was like, oh shoot, I literally only have like, I had like $60 in cash. So while I was grocery shopping, I literally was like being very cautious because I realized I only had a certain amount of cash and I don't have a debit card because he has it and he's on the other side of the world. So as the guy was bringing stuff up, I was like, I hope this doesn't go over like how much money I have in my pocket. But luckily, y'all, I lied to you not, I only spent $38 and I got ground beef, I got chicken, I got bacon, broccoli, peppers, fresh vegetables, like, you know, bananas to eat for breakfast. And of course, like, you know, I have a good amount of food to last me for the rest of this week, probably 2 weeks, honestly, because I'm about to cook everything. Like, I'm being on such a cheap college budget, you know, like, I'm not playing. So I cannot wait to go home and cook everything for you guys so you guys can see what's in. Hey guys, so I'm here in my kitchen. I just got back from Aldi's, and as you can see, I just laid out my groceries. It doesn't look like much, but I spent $40 and I have probably about a few different meals I'm gonna kind of put together. I have the bases, vegetables, meats, fruits. I have some rice, potatoes, pasta. So it was really good. That was like, honestly, I can count on one hand how many times I've shopped at Aldi. So we're gonna see what all I can put together, and hopefully I can come up with some dinner tonight too. That'll be a good. This is like cooking so slow. Put a lot in there. And we're gonna try to just mash it up. Okay guys, so update on the meal prep. I have some noodles boiling because I'm actually going to make some spaghetti tonight. I have some ground beef that I just put on here. Look, we only have this little tiny skillet, so don't laugh at my skillet. I just put the chicken and the sausage, and I'm about to put some vegetables in the air fryer, and yeah. Yeah, what you gonna eat? As soon as I get back, she get straight. Put some time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night when we get mad, jump too hot, don't stand too close. We gon' fuck around down off this way. Doing other shows, I've been on the road. As long as I get